Lots of dirt so far. So 102nd Street over here in this lot, I believe it's going to be some kind of a parking garage, and with that parking garage there'll be like a pedestrian bridge that'll extend over Prairie, getting you across the street here to the Clippers Arena. So not too much activity yet. This is kind of just been pushing some dirt around here where the future arena will be. But this summer I expect things to ramp up. That old sign they took down, there's a new sign that's replaced it. They got it covered up here with some trash bags. What, LUM Hotel? Same as over here. Inside here, above the lobby, it looks like there's still and some rough stages as far as interior wise of this place being finished. The exterior looks pretty good. Yeah, I like the shape of this sign. It's kind of looks kind of retro. Where this one looks a little more modern, I guess.